The National Construction Authority estimates that over 200 Kenyans died between 1990 and 2019 in documented cases of buildings collapsing. This has resulted in more than 20 deaths and billions of shillings in property losses. A gap in information sharing between professionals and counties, a lack of proper training, inadequate technical capacities, and collusion between various players in the sector is to blame. The country is also facing a major shortage of engineers.
We are encouraging the county government to create a scheme where they will have at least the position of a pretending engineer, a senior pretending engineer, a principal pretending engineer, and a chief engineer in various areas of engineering discipline, civil, structural, mechanical, electrical, and so on.
Several agencies go to site. Now, who is supposed to do what? Not even before a building collapses, as the building is being constructed. So you find there are different, this one is, you understand what I mean. So we need to really get it clear in terms of who is supposed to do what and how can we now work together.
Findings of a special task force by the Engineers Board of Kenya have revealed that in the case of the Paai Bridge and the Kinoo apartments, designs were not checked by a qualified engineer, while the apartment designs in Kinoo were changed mid-construction. According to the report findings in the case of Paai Bridge, the original design span was to be 50 meters, but due to funding inadequacies, it was reduced to 32 meters, with a possible recommended span of 100 meters. In Kinoo, the building was approved for 4 floors, with ground parking, but was however pushed to 6 floors by the developer, resulting in overloading of columns and poor steel containment.
The building in Kiambu, again, it was the question of foundation. And we are encouraging the investors to make sure that the foundations are properly researched and designed, because without a solid foundation, the building will always collapse.
Going forward, the report has recommended the hiring of professionals by counties, involvement of the EBK in the approval process, upscaling compliance, and enforcement and awareness campaigns. Alanauko, Easy Friday.